So, very good morning, the students of class 3. So, did you all like the story in Model Science which I told you? 2 stories. Did you all like it? I think so, yes. They are so happy, my children are so happy. And your project work, they were so nice. I really enjoyed it. So nice pictures of peacocks. Oof, it was really nice. I was so happy. The pictures of peacocks, so colorful peacocks. My phone was filled with those peacocks. I was very happy seeing all the pictures of nice peacock, and the writing, of course, were very nice. Okay, so now let's talk about the first term exam. You're going to have the first term. Do you all know, all of you? Some are telling, yes ma'am, we know we are going to have the first term. The syllabus also, I gave it to you. The syllabus is completed also. So today I'm going to tell you about the first term, how you are going to have your first term. Now, regarding your first term, it is divided into 2 parts. First part, you will have the grammar in your forms, Google Forms. At 10:25, it will start at 10 o'clock and it will end at 10:25. So 10 to 10:25 you are going to have the exams in your Google form. After 10:25 I will close the response. Okay, 10:25, 10:26 I will close the response. And your forms will no longer be submitted to me if you submit after 10:25. And at sharp at 10:30 I will give you the question that you have to write in a long exercise paper, a full-scape paper. You have to write it over there in a full-scape paper, and you have to submit it to me in my personal WhatsApp number by 11:15. If you submit after 11:15, that will not be accepted because your time will be mentioned over there when you are sending the paper to me. Write it in a long exercise notebooks paper, okay, and try to complete it within 1 page, because the question will be set that you can complete within 1 page. Don't write rubbish. Whatever you will write should be to the point answer. Okay, my dear children. So this is how you will give your first term exam. Okay, like this you did in your worksheet. You at that time you used to send the things in the schools app, through schools app. The same thing you will do, and you have to send it in the WhatsApp group in my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, after writing the answer, you will take the photograph of it, and then you have to send it to me, and I will check those papers. Okay, so this is the thing which you have to do, and no need to worry, the question will be very easy, my dear children. You are so small, all of you can do it. The question will be very easy, and the chapters all of you know very nicely. Now adjectives. So that chapter I taught you adjectives. So that adjectives, what it is talking about. Adjectives you know very nicely. Those are what words? What are words? Describing words. Now this describing words, adjectives, they are also divided into 2 more groups in your class. It's divided into 2 more groups. One is talking about the adjective of quantity, and one is adjective of quality. So what is that adjective of quantity? So it is talking about, here it's talking about the adjective of quality. It tells about the kind of person, place, thing. For noun, okay, that is an adjective of quality. So quality means what? You see over here, soft, sweet, quiet, okay, all this, new, big, rich, sour, all these are adjectives of quality. Now quantity, how much? Okay, that is all, much, great, sufficient, plenty, large. All these are talking about the size. Okay, that is adjective of quantity. How much, size. Okay, that is adjective of quantity. So little, some, whole, all these are adjective of quantity. And this exercise also, it's very important for you all of you do this exercise very nicely, and some chapters which are already done in your first, second and third unit test, those chapters I have repeated also, and your question will be very easy. All of you can do it very nicely. So please read your grammar book thoroughly, and please do your work. Okay, my dear children, and for your the essay already you'll add for your project work. So, and whatever I gave in the syllabus, based on that you will get in your first term. Okay, no need to worry about the first portion. You will get in your Google Forms, and the second portion you will get in your WhatsApp. You have to write it in the Google Forms also. I will send the link in the WhatsApp only, in the group, in your class group, class 3's group. I will send it in the WhatsApp also. You will get it in the WhatsApp only. And the question also, the typed one, the question where you have to write in the long exercise paper, that also I will send it in the WhatsApp group, in your class 3 group. My dear children, some students are there who tries to write in a very short paper, in a notebook. They are having something notepad. They write something in the notepad. They are just 2 or 3, 4 pages they are doing out of. That will not do. That will not do. Short pages, no. You have to write in a long full-scape paper. Am I clear? Long full-scape paper, you have to write it over there. Write your name, write your class, write your roll number, and then you have to do it. Okay, so best of luck to all of you, my dear children, for your first term. This I think so this chapter is clear to you. It is already sent in your assignment. Nothing. If you have any doubt regarding your English one, you are free to call me. If any doubt, I will try to solve your problem. Okay, my dear children, so best of luck and be prepared for your exam. Bye bye. Have a good day.